All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a super busy day and I figured, you know what? Let's bring these guys along, show them what we got going on. I highly doubt there's an emergency. Let's be real. That is Spencer. Look at this guy go, dude. Obviously, first task of the day is to just admire Larry Chen's car for the Bristol 1000. Came out sick. So the guys over at Type S, they sent us this livery graphic file. So we went ahead and picked up a Crown Vic from the Freedom Factory, got her looking right, and now Larry Chen is easily gonna have one of the cleaner cars out there this weekend. It's our job now to bring it back to the Freedom Factory, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. We also gotta drop off a ton of the print products for the event as well, like lanyards, hang tags, all that type of stuff. So yeah, we'll knock out that stuff super quick, and then I wanna come back here and show you two epic cars that we have. The same guy that owns that JDM car hauler over there, he owns these. He's bringing us a bunch of more super sick cars, so I wanna show you those, and then also talk to you a little bit about the G35, where we're at with that, and some new cool stuff about the building. So we're gonna walk some new space, not even the space that you guys saw in the last video, some new space. We'll take a walk through there, talk about how we're gonna brand it all and what we're doing. So today's video kind of has a lot going on because after today, we only have one day before we have to load up all of our cars and we're driving to Bristol. So that'll be a fun one too. We're bringing the camera car. It's gonna be epic. We're gonna be doing a bunch of cool laps with Super Stadium trucks, the Crown Vics, all that. We'll take you guys along the ride, so let's get after it. Jimmy was gracious enough to let us use this. He's let us use this many times.
It's back.
That was a test. And don't worry guys, my left arm's doing all the work. This guy's still healing up. All right, Larry, what do we got cooking for you, buddy? That key doesn't work. That key works. Hello. Sick. Dude, Larry's car looks freaking good. Yeah, I'm piped up. If you guys can hear in the background, that is Spencer. Look at this guy go, dude. Killing it. That's gonna be epic for tens of thousands of people. It's gonna be awesome. But yeah, let's get this rig unloaded and continue on our journey for the day. We got a lot of stuff to do. You always get something for free when you come over here. I got a piece of pizza today and some zip ties. So it's looking up. Boys are really good to us, dude. Really, really good to us. They take care of us. So right now we're gonna quickly run to the merch room. I gotta make some quick product thumbnails for online for those new Fleet sticker packs. Beautiful. There's our boy neighbor. Jesus. I highly doubt there's an emergency. Let's be real. Cool, well we're done here, product thumbnails. Now it's time to go handle all the print product over to the hands of the guys at the Freedom Factory. Seeing all the rigs lined up, dude, this looks epic. Blank blue car, I don't know who that is. Probably Goon Squad, Jamie PFI, Matt Demo Ranch, Kevin, KSR, our boy, Nick Seuss, legend. Justin, that car will be totaled. Jack Stan Jimmy, probably top 3. LS George, blank orange car. Finnegan, Zach from Hoonigan, sick, Vice Grip Garage. Kyle from Boosted Boys, and then, where's the car we just freaking brought over here, dude? I'm gonna take a few photos of Larry's car real quick. It's a real deal. Wait, let me get a video shot from up here. Toodaloo, boys. Mystery Machine is the loudest thing my ears are itchy from it. Garrett's trying to freaking talk me into doing a burnout in the camera car. I'm not opposed to it as long as we get the shots we need. Yeah, I don't know if Johnny's gonna be happy though. We'll just leave mid-show to go do a burnout. I don't know about that one. Then we get to go back to the shop and check these freaking cars out. And all the new plans with the shop. It's all happening. 100 mile an hour, all day long. Big ethanol guy, dude. What is going on? I have to get gas in this thing about once a day, to be honest with you. Pretty sure it's a charcoal canister that is just full or blocked or bogged down somehow. Not sure, but it only ever lets me fill like 10 bucks. So what we're gonna do is we're quickly gonna stop at Advanced. Before our big, I don't know, 1,000-mile drive tomorrow or Wednesday, I'd like to be able to fill it with gas. But the weird thing is right now it's working perfectly. How is that possible?
There it is.
7 gallons. So I'm below E. Ugh. Ugh. All right, this is when I'm done. This is why I need to get gas every day though, because my patience is pretty short. Only allow for a few clicks and then I'm gone. Quarter tank of gas, that's all we were able to get today. I'm not mad at that, that's more than usual. I'm just picking up an order I placed online.
All right, Chris, there you go.
All right, brother, appreciate you, man. Thank you.
One.
You too. Don't you worry, guys. I got the charcoal canister right here. One charcoal canister coming right up. Race flag. All right, so this is one of my favorite parts where we get to do the building branding. So we have a bunch of sick designs we're putting on the walls, and we get to use our favorite tool, the Rolly Pro, once it is laid down. But all this is just matte decal vinyl. Same thing you guys will see on stickers and stuff like that. And we just use it for wall coverage. Super cheap, and it lasts super long time on the inside. And it just really looks good. Bing bong. So this tool right here, once you heat up this vinyl, it's called a Rolly Pro. So what it allows us to do is to use this like flexible microfiber style surface to really have the vinyl adhere to the actual finish of the wall.
Got a lot of sick projects going on in the shop. Place is whole
I don't
come
know
together.
what I'm talking about, but I'm gonna hand it over to Chris because he does know what he's talking about. With a little confused.
Anyway, you guys saw this in the last video, how we renovated this for these knuckleheads. Unbelievable. So we stopped at that, basically this line where Ethan's at right now, and that was full of junk. Since the video was posted the other day, honestly, the rest has cleared up. So we brought our other cut table over here, and look at this. Look at all this space already again. More new space. Yes, this is the real deal. So this is a project we're actually doing like almost a full resto on. I know that's not 100% of what we do, but it's right up our wheelhouse. We have connections for everything that we need as far as painting and powder coating and stuff like that. So we're gonna bite that project off and it's gonna be sick. So long story short, what the plan is, while we're in Bristol, we officially get this part of this backspace and we'll primify it. We'll do the floors just like that space. We'll paint everything white. We're thinking immediately month one, this will kind of be where the completed cars go. So they're not taking up space in the wrap shop so that the wrap shop can maintain being the wrap shop. So this is where our clients really pick up their stuff. The same guy that brought us this truck has 2 cars next door that we've been working on. Definitely want to show you those. They are insanity. So let's go take a quick look at these. This is what I'm talking about. These cars are absolutely no joke. I guess we'll start here with this one. Andrew, plug in some sick shots now. So basically our client is an absolute legend. He's picking up these cars, which are, I don't know, pieces of history if you're into the JDM car scene and stuff like that. R33 GTR, Jing built car, V-spec, very nice sticker. But what we did with this product is we didn't do anything crazy. We didn't change the color. We didn't even add any vinyl. The goal with this was straight up protection. We want to protect this car, keep it the best it can be with this paint job, with this body kit, with these headlights, Ganador mirrors. We want all those to remain flawless. So what this got was a full coverage PPF. So PPF is paint protection film. It's not the same as wrap. It's a completely different animal altogether. What it does is it really allows the car to look its normal self, but just to have way more added protection. So this material right here, you can even take a screwdriver and, you know, scratch it and it's all self-healing. So the sun a heat gun, everything will just completely self-heal it. So before we do the PPF stuff, we obviously want the paint to look as good as it can be beforehand. We went and did a full paint correction, and right after that, full coverage PPF, and on top of that, ceramic coating. So this is about as glossy as you can get a vehicle. It's mind-blowing. Let me show you guys the engine bay in this thing. So yeah, you can see it has all the bells and whistles. Everything's titanium, that's metal, basically, even the old hood prop. But yeah, super cool car. Definitely a piece of history. Gets a lot of love online. Really popular online. Blessed to be able to work on this kind of stuff. And even though there's no major color change, you can just see it inside the shop with the lights bouncing off of it, how crazy it actually looks. On to the next one. So the second one here is an early 90s Mazda RX-7. FD RX-7. Not Formula Drift, Andrew. Pull your shit together. Yeah, so our client actually just informed us that he got a few of these, not just this one, but a few of them. So I know for sure 2 of them are getting basically the same treatment as a GTR, so that's that full paint correction, really trying to just preserve the look of the vehicle. This one, on the other hand, is getting full livery, and we already have some inspiration and a couple of mock-ups already done, and it's gonna look insane. With this car, unfortunately, because it is a used kind of build, some of the wheels are messed up, so we're gonna get all these over to the wheel doctor, get those repowder coated. So this project will definitely have design involved, print involved, livery. It's gonna have an epic livery. Maybe some new tint, PPF on carbon. Nice little, what is this? It's a T78 from Gretty. So it's one of those old Trust turbos. Yeah, it's pretty,
Sick 4-rotor.
no, definitely not a 4-rotor, but yeah, super clean. So we'll probably get a lot of this cleaned up. It's cool. These projects aren't restorations, but these we're able to use, you know, a lot of our connections and just really get the vehicle in such better shape by doing more than just a wrap on it. So it's super cool that our clients trust us with this stuff, and we're really looking forward to it. And like I said, the same gentleman that owns these 2 also owns that JDM car mover. So that's getting a full livery, all that kind of stuff. So on to the next banger, dude. I mean, what? I'm speechless at this point on this guy, dude. I'm so excited. We are so close. It's one of those things where there's a few things left, but that few things unfortunately takes a few weeks. But fuel system completely run. Harness, at least in the car. Yeah, ECU's mounted. Trans is in for the final time. All the fuel lines run. All the stuff for the clutches run. We got all the water lines made. We put together all these AN lines, converted everything to dash 16. Super clean, remote mount, water pump. Yeah, so we're getting super, super close on this. Definitely by FL2K. So if you guys are coming out to FL2K, take a 2-minute walk over to our booth. Come check this out. I'd be glad to put it on the limiter for you. And I think yesterday I got talked into doing a freaking main harness bulkhead. I just shocked that I'm down for it. But yeah, so basically you cut the harness in half, and there's a bulkhead here that goes on the firewall. Honestly, super clean look, and allows you to remove the engine without feeding the harness in or out, doing all that stuff. It's just a simple rotating push lock. So that's super sick. But yeah, that really does it. Just want to give you guys a quick rundown of our day, what we're doing in prep for Bristol, and also some updates here and around the shop, as well as the Shop G. This thing's gonna rip. And definitely let me know how this guy sounds, because we've gone through a lot of microphones. Hoping they work pretty well. Let us know how the video sounds. I'm rambling. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna do one more update before Bristol, then we're gonna drive to Bristol. And then we got all of Bristol weekend, so it's gonna be sick. See you guys on the next one.